Hello everyone, my name is Monica. I'm from Romania and I live in the UK. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to be a member of Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. Before I started my training, I didn't know anything about this beautiful monster called Forex. I've learned so much during my training. I'm still learning. I've learned about market structure, about trend lines, about support resistance, about moving averages, about risk management and candlesticks patterns. And I can say now I know how to read and analyze the price when I go on TradingView. And the best thing is you can join the private student group and you post your chart analysis and you get feedback for your work. How cool is that? Yeah, so thank you very much, Forex for Beginners Academy, and thank you, Saad Ali.